Don't give up on me, darling. Ate Bianca will still see you. Baby. Doc, pwede mo explain kung ano yung situation niya ngayon? Kasi yung daughter ko sa PBB siya ngayon, di ba? Yan, gusto ko sana inform sa kanya na yung condition ng bed niya. Kasi for me, mas importante kasi you know, instead of her staying inside the house. So can you please explain to me her condition right now? Okay, but can you take a video of you? Is it okay?
Video? Or ako po ba voice?
Sige, voice. Okay, voice. Or even, ito, kahit explain na lang natin to. What's going on here?
Yeah, so,
Or even this one.
specific. Nagkakaroon na siya ng like refraction.
For me, she deserves to know kasi talaga alam mo yun, kung pwede na pull out ko siya sa PBB, alam mo yun. Kasi alam ko mas importante to sa kanya kasi sa kung anong career na gusto niya abutin doon. Doc, help me pray for her, please. Kasi if, other medications won't work, then we can just pray for her and, miracles naman, di ba? Kaya, tama naman ako, Doc, di ba? Oh my gosh.